Good morning. Time 9:04. Date 12/10/2012. We've been buying this FXI on this China play because China's been doing better. And we got down here on the ETF called the FXI China 25. It's an ETF and it's testing the 200-week moving average. And basically, when we started featuring this, and we put it in some IRA accounts as well, is that we're finally starting to move up here with these weekly buy signals for several weeks here. And the thing about it is we can move right back up into, let's say, our upper end is 42.63. These other tops right over here are 40.57. The reason why we bought into the FXI was that it had went into the weekly sell signal. It didn't want to break down. It broke out. It put its base in. It put a higher one in here. You can see the trend lines here on this weekly chart. What we are saying is that we're in the FXI, but we are going to hit a wall of resistance in the short term, and that's that 200 week. Once we can clear that 200 week, which is also part of this gap down over here that occurred on 3/11 of 2012 was where that we finally had made the all-time lows over here. Not as low as a year ago, but it's good enough to be in the name. And once again, we're going to see how it breaks above the 200-week moving average and how it responds above the green line, which is rising, and we do have the weekly buy signal in play. In the shorter term, we're getting a little bit overbought in the near term, so we would look at how to buy or add in the pullbacks on the FXI. You know, like anything, it has that wall of resistance there. So if it pulls back in there, we'll look at adding more of the FXI. And that is the update on the FXI China ETF.